Hello fellow coffee botherers, I'm Kev from coffeeblog.co.uk, and in this video I'm going to be talking once again about the standard basket and the dual wall basket with the Sage Bambino Plus. Specifically, I'm going to be comparing the two baskets, the standard basket and the dual wall basket, both with freshly ground coffee and with pre-ground coffee. Check out the crema. That's with the standard basket. That's the crema via the dual wall basket. It's very similar to me. The way I'm going to know which is which, by the way, I've put a little rubber foot on the bottom of this cup that's going to have the espresso in via the dual wall basket. Right, so I've got no idea which is which. Let me taste and see. This one isn't quite as full flavour. There's not a great deal in it, I have to say, but this one I'm pretty sure is the one I've pulled via the dual wall basket. Let's try again. Yeah, this one's better, but it's marginal. There's not a great deal of difference in it. Let me check. Yeah, this one has got the little rubber thing stuck to the bottom of it, so that is via the dual wall basket, and this has got nothing on it. So that's with freshly ground coffee via the standard basket and via the dual wall basket, just as a comparison to see what the difference is. And it's marginal, but I could tell that the one via the dual wall basket just wasn't quite there, but there wasn't much in it. Whether I would have been able to tell the difference a few years ago when I was just starting out on my home barista journey before my coffee palate had developed what it is now, and I'm sure people who've got a more developed coffee palate to me would be able to detect the difference more, but there's definitely a difference there, but it's subtle. So that was just an experiment, but next I'm going to do the same again, but this time I'm going to try pre-ground coffee via the dual wall basket and via the standard basket and see what the difference is there. So we've got the dual wall basket and pre-ground coffee, and this is Fazenda de Lagoa from Chapter Coffee Company via Blue Coffee Box. And this is the same pre-ground coffee that I tried in the previous video when I did the comparison with pre-ground coffee via the dual wall basket versus freshly ground coffee via the standard basket. The exact same coffee beans, so it's that same one again. Crema via the dual wall basket with pre-ground. Now pre-ground again, same coffee, of course, via the standard basket as opposed to the dual wall basket. As you saw, it completely flew through that basket. So I imagine this is going to taste horrible. So pre-ground via the standard basket, as you can see, virtually no crema, and it flew through the basket. So you can see, at least visually, the dual wall basket is making a difference here when it comes to the pre-ground coffee. Okay, so again, I don't know which is which. There's actually very, very little difference in the taste. To be perfectly honest, neither of them are fantastic. They're both lacking, and I've tried this coffee via whole bean as well, via the standard basket, so I know what it should taste like. And both are a bit muted, but not undrinkable at all. It's not quite perfect. This one is slightly better, and yeah, this one is via the dual wall basket. Got the rubber thing on. My conclusion from that is that looking at them, the one via the dual wall basket looked the part, it looked better, it had more crema. Now, as a lungo, it's got crema on it, the other one is completely flat. So it looked better as a shot, it looks better here as a lungo, it's got some crema, and it tastes slightly better when pulled via the dual wall basket with pre-ground as opposed to the standard basket. So I've got to give the dual wall basket its due. It kind of does what it's supposed to, but it's marginal. I'm surprised really, to be honest, when I saw how quick the espresso flowed through the standard basket with pre-ground. It was just ridiculously quick. And I thought, when I looked at the look of that, it was completely flat, as you saw, virtually no crema. I'm surprised that the difference is that subtle. And that kind of tells me that the dual wall baskets have more impact on the visual elements, which is, it's part of it. The visual aspect, it's good to see a nice crema on your espresso. But I'm surprised that the taste is that similar. But there you go. As I said, I've got to give credit where credit's due, and the dual wall basket does appear to make a slight difference in taste, but not a massive amount in it. But in terms of visuals, the dual wall basket has made it look better, it's given it more crema. So there we go, that's the answer to that. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. There's a round thing here, like a picture of a coffee in one of these cups with the latte art on it. So if you click that, you will subscribe to my channel. Tatty bye versus the standard basket with pre-walled coffee. Versus pre-walled coffee.